Hello and welcome to another video from the CBits Tech channel. Today we're going to unbox these mini discs, which I don't remember placing an order for. There was a guy that was selling lots of mini discs. Looked like Japan exclusives, and each one was about 3 minutes after. It was going to end about 3 minutes after the previous one. So I think he'd got a batch and listed them all at once. And I saw these and I thought what I'm going to do is have a look and see which ones I like and then place bids live for them. In the end I missed the end of the auction, but apparently I had put a bid on these and I won them. I think they were £13 plus postage. I'll put that on the screen just down there. I might put the listing up, screenshot as well. But the reason I wouldn't have bought these is they're all the same colour. And I can't remember whether I've got any Lucir ones, but these I think are Japan exclusives, and you can tell they're Japanese because they're writing on them. It's quite nice box. Let's get to unwrapping them. In any case, a good price for them, I suppose, for brand new discs. Oh, I don't think they're individually wrapped. That's interesting. This will be a short video then because they're all the same. Let's look at the case. Ooh, labels as well. I guess you can get that open. Yeah, there we go. The case, oh, very shiny. Here's the back of the label. Okay. It's got teddy bears on it. I don't know why. Very nice. Yeah, lovely disc actually. Very nice. Well, there's a short video for you. The next video, or maybe the next video, is going to be unboxing. I think it's 66 mini discs. I ordered a job lot of 66 mini discs. And then actually before I've got those down to unbox next, and before I've even unboxed those, I've ordered another batch job lot of mini discs, which I really shouldn't have ordered, but they were too good a price to give up. So those videos will be coming soon. So make sure you're subscribed. Thanks very much. Give us a like, and I'll see you in the next video.